Hello, I am your Sanju Kumar sir. Brought a new chapter that is Mysore under the rule of Hyder Ali. ತಮಗಾಗಿ ತಂದಿರುವಂಥ ವಿಷಯ ಮೈಸೂರು ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ ಅಧೀನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ನುವ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ was the Sultan of de facto ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in the southern India. Born as Hyder Ali Khan, he distinguished himself militarily, eventually drawing the attention of Mysore's rulers, rising the post of Dalwai, commander-in-chief, to Krishnaraja Wadeyar II. He came to dominate the titular monarch and the Mysore government. He became the de facto ruler of the Mysore as Sarvadhikari, chief minister, by 1761 during the intermittent conflict against the East India Company during the First and Second Anglo-Mysore Wars. Hyder Ali distinguished himself in military tactics, being the innovator of military use of the iron-cased Mysorean rockets. He also significantly developed the Mysorean economy. So this was the brief introduction about the Hyder Ali. ಇದು ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿಯನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ. ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿಯ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನ ಕುರಿತು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಿಪಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಸರ್ವಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ದ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಪಾಯಿ, ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿಸ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೋನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸರ್ಟನಿಟಿ. ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಡೇಟೆಡ್ಸ್ ranging between 1772 and 1722 for his birth. There are also some variation in reports of his ancestry. According to some accounts, his grandfather was descended from the line tracing their lineage back to Baghdad, while another traces his lineage instead of the areas of present-day Afghanistan. In the third account, written by one of his French military officers, Hyder Ali himself claimed descent from the Arabs Bani Hashmi, or clan of the Qurayshi, the tribute of Muhammad. His father Fateh Muhammad was born in Kolar and served as a commander of 50 men in the Bombo rocket artillery, mainly used for the signingly. In the army of the Nawab of Carnatic, Fateh Muhammad eventually entered the service of the Wadeyar's Raja of the Kingdom of Mysore, where he rose and became powerful military commander. The Wadeyars awarded him Budikote as a Jagir land grant, where he then served as Nayaka. Hyder Ali was born in Budikote. He was Fateh Muhammad's fifth child and the second by his third wife. His early years are not well documented. He entered military service along with his brother Shahbaz after their father died in combat. After serving for number of years under the rules of Arakat, they came to Srirangapatna, where Hyder's uncle served. He introduced them to the Devaraja, the Dalwai chief minister, military leader and virtual ruler of the Krishnaraja Wadeyar first, and his brother Namjaraja, who also held important ministerial posts. Hyder Ali and his brother were both given commands in the Mysore army. Hyder Ali served under Shahbaz, commanding 100 cavalry and 2000 infantry. Rise of power. The domains of the Sultanate, a Kudate of Mysore, ruled by the Hyder Ali in the year of 1780, Carnatic War. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಯುದ್ಧಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಸರ್ವಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಹೈದರ್ನ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಿಕ್ ವಾರ್ in 1748, Kamaruddin Khan Asaf Jah I, the long-time Nizam of Hyderabad, died. The struggle of the succeeded him is known as the Second Karnataka War, and pitted Asaf Jah's son Nasir Jung against the nephew Muzaffar Jung. Both sides were supported by the other local leaders, and French and the British forces were also involved. Devaraja had started to vesting more military authority in his brother, and in 1749 Nanjaraja marched the Mysorean army in support to Nasir Jung. The army went to the Devanhalli, where the Mysorean participated in the siege of Devanhalli fort. The fort was held by the Muzaffar Jung forces, and the siege was conducted by the Marquis de Bussy. During the successful of 8th month siege, Hyder Ali and his brother distinguished themselves and were rewarded by the Dalwai with the enlarged commands. Although Hyder Ali was from Mysore, his early loyalty were to the Nizam of Hyderabad. Thou, Hyder Ali and his campaigns became the Sipais in the Deccan with partial invasion from the great Mughal of the period. So Hyder Ali, as a chief of the Mysore state, Hyder Ali played a very significant role to secure the Karnataka's wars. Karnataka wars continued. By 1755, Hyder Ali commanded 3,000 infantry and 1,500 cavalry and was reported to be enriching himself on campaigns by the plunder. In that year, he was also appointed Fauzdar, military commander in Dindigal. In this position, he first retained French advisors to organize the train his artillery campaigns. He is also known to have personally served alongside D. Busy and is believed to have met both Muzaffar Jung and Chanda Sahib. In these early wars, he also came to be disliked and mistrusted Muhammad Ali Khan Wallajah, a Nawab of the Carnatic. In fact, Muhammad Ali Khan Wallajah and the Mysorean leaders were long at odds with each other, seeking territorial gains at the other expense. Muhammad Ali Khan Wallajah had by then formed in alliance with the British, and he was accused by Hyder Ali in later years of effectively preventing him from making any sort of long-lasting alliances or agreements with the British. Throughout the Carnatic Wars, Hyder Ali and his Mysore battalion served alongside French commanders such as Joseph Francisco Dupleix, Count de Lally, and the D. PG. He also assisted Chanda Sahib on various occasions. Hyder Ali supported the claims of Muzaffar Jung and later sided with the Salbat Jung. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಯುದ್ಧಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಚರ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್, ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಖಂಡೇರಾವ್, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ವ್ಯವಹಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾತುರ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಕರಿಯರ್, ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ retained as one of his chief financial assistants a Brahmin named Khanderao. Hyder Ali, who was illiterate, was reported to be blessed with the prodigious memory and numerical acumen. Hyder Ali could reveal or outperform expert accountants with his great arithmetic skills and worked to develop a system with Khanderao that includes checks and balances so sophisticated that all manner of income, including plunder of physical goods of all types, could be accounted for with title, possibly for fraud or embezzlement. This financial management may have played a role in Hyder Ali's rise in power. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ಚಾತುರತೆ ಒಂದು ಅಧಿಕಾರದ ಒಂದು ಉದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ತನ್ನ ಏಳಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರ ವಹಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅದು ಖಂಡೇರಾವ್, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಖಂಡೇರಾವ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣ. ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ ಸರ್ವಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೈನಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣ. ಇನ್ 1757, Hyder Ali was called Sringapatna to support Devaraja against threats from the Hyderabad and the Marathas. Upon his arrival, he found the Mysorean army in disarray and near mutiny over pay. While Devaraja brought his way out of the threats of Sringapatna, Hyder Ali arranged for the army to be paid and arrested the ringleaders of the mutiny. Campaigns against the Calicut. Hyder Ali then led the Mysorean campaigns against the Nairs, Malabar, the west coast of India. For his role these activities, Hyder Ali was rewarded by the Devaraja with the Jagir regional governorship of Bengaluru. Hyder Ali captures Bengaluru, 1758. In 1758, Hyder Ali successfully forced the Marathas to lift a siege of Bengaluru. Hyder Ali's forces entered the city, thus capturing it by 1759 c. Hyder Ali was in command of the entire Mysorean army. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಸೈನಿಕ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಸೂರು ಒಡೆಯರಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನದೇ ಛಾಪು ಮೂಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಸರ್ವಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ. ನವಾಬ್ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ನವಾಬನಾಗಿ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ. ದ ಯಂಗ್ ರಾಜ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯರ್ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ ದ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಫತೇ ಹೈದರ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಆರ್ ನವಾಬ್ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ ಖಾನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯರು ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿಯ ಒಂದು ಸೈನಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮನನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಫತೇ ಹೈದರ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಅಥವಾ ನವಾಬ್ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ ಖಾನ್ ಎಂಬ ಬಿರುದನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೈಸೂರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನವಾಬ್. Thus it can be said that he was briefly the Nawab of Mysore by 1759. Because of the ongoing conflicts with the Marathas of the Mysorean treasury was virtually bankrupted, promoting the queen mother to force into exile Nanja Raja, who had assumed the position of the Dalwai upon his brother's death in 1758. Hyder Ali was a beneficiary of this action, rising in influence in the court. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ದಳವಾಯಿಯ ಒಂದು ಕೊನೆ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ದಳವಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ ಸರ್ವಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಚುಕ್ಕಾಣಿಯನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿತಾನೆ ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿ. ಡೆಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಖಂಡೇರಾವ್. In 1760 the queen mother conspired with Khanderao, who had gone into the Raja's service, to outside Hyder Ali. He was precipitously forced out of Sringapatana, leaving his family including his son Tipu Sultan under house arrest. The sudden departure left Hyder Ali with few resources. He may have been fortuitously aided at this time by the fairway Third Battle of the Panipat, in which the Marathas suffered a major defeat, January 1761. Because of this loss, the Marathas withdraws forces from the Mysore, and Hyder Ali's brother-in-law Magdum Ali seized them into the Bidnur and Sunda. Hyder Ali's son soon consolidated his strength by placing Mirza Sahib as the commander of Sirah, Ibrahim Ali Khan in Bangalore, and Amin Saab his cousin in Baznagar. Soon afterward, Hyder Ali marched alongside Magdum Ali's forces, which numbered about 6,000, along with the 3,000 men from his garrison at Bangalore, towards Sringapatana. They clashed with the Khanderao forces before reaching the capital. Khanderao with the 11,000 men won the battle, and Hyder Ali was forced to be applied to the exiled Nanja Raja for support. Nanja Raja gave him command of his army and the title of Dalwai. With this force, Hyder Ali again moved out of against Khanderao. The two armies faced each other again, but deception by Hyder Ali convinced Khanderao to flee instead of the engaging in battle. Hyder Ali sent letters appearing to be from Nanja Raja to some Khanderao's commanders, confirming their agreement to Khanderao over to Hyder Ali. Fearing a conspiracy, Khanderao fled into Sringapatana after a minor battle against the no leaderless army. Hyder Ali took over most of its remnants and surrounded Sringapatana. The ensuing negotiations left Hyder Ali in the nearly complete military control of Mysore. Concessions that the extracted included the surrender of the Khanderao, who Hyder Ali imprisoned in Bangalore. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೈದರ್ ಅಲಿಯ ಅಧೀನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ಎಂಬ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪರಾಮರ್ಶೆ ಗ್ರಂಥವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ I would like to recommend some reference textbook for the study of the Hyder Ali under Mysore. So, K.R. Basvaraju, by K.R. Basvaraju, Cultural History of Karnataka, by Narsingaraju Naidu, written the Insights into the Karnataka History. Dr. S.N. Shivarudrappa, written History and Cultural Karnataka. B.P. Ugar, written History of Karnataka. These are the important referential textbooks for the study of the Hyder Ali under Mysore. So thank you for listening my lecture.